Some trains soar thousands of feet in the air. Others climb the steepest hills. These are the world's most extraordinary railway journeys. First is Germany's Wuppertal Schwebebahn. Built in 1901, this suspension railway travels 3,000 feet above the ground. Next, the world's steepest railway. Switzerland's Stoosbahn, opened in 2017, climbs an astonishing 744 meters. And in China, the Chongqing Monorail. This massive system with 70 stations famously passes straight through a residential tower. Engineering marvels that redefine the impossible. Which one would you dare to ride?